think of all the times we lay looking up out at the stars.
Thank you so much for your word, and thank you that we can apply it to life. And we know, Lord, that your word is so full of wisdom, and if we live according to your word, then we will flourish in life. We will flourish in our relationships. En Here, op hierdie oomblik is Charles en Shan op 'n plek waar hulle die mooiste, beste, mees intenste, opregste begeerte in hulle hart, naamlik om vir mekaar te sê, maar ek kies vir jou, om dit in die openbaar te sê. En ek bid so dat hierdie woorde wat kort sinnetjies is, maar met geweldige betekenis. En ek bid so dat U dit diep in hulle harte sal bære. En deur die Gees hulle hieraan sal herinner dat almal wat getuies is van hierdie woorde, almal wat hier is, dat hulle juis in die toekoms sal bid vir die twee, om juis dit te leef wat hulle vandag aan mekaar beloof het.
All my love, I have only love for you. We're all in over head and heart, but tell me who could have known? Oh, honestly, I never thought we'd meet and fall and land into this truth. Oh, before you, oh, what was that? I don't recognize, now I'm looking back. How I adore you, it can't be matched, no. Ooh, oh my love, I have only love for you. More than enough, more than enough.
It's been an insane year for us. Obviously, we've been through a lot. We've prepared for however long we could have, and I mean, there's been ups and downs and a lot of different things. But here we are today with everyone here. It all worked out. The dress didn't tear, didn't fall off. I didn't stumble. We're okay. We made it. And I just want to say, Leafy, I love you so much. I'm not going to cry. Seks, en jy lyk eerlikwaar, jy lyk so pragtig. I could not have imagined a more beautiful bride than you today. Thank you, Leafy. I love you.